Goldman Sachs just predicted it. 300 million white-collar jobs gone by 2028. Not 2035, not 2030, 28. That's 4 years away. McKinsey data shows 44% of work tasks will automate within 36 months. IBM replaced 8,000 employees with AI last month. No announcement, just gone. Legal firms are already using AI paralegals that cost 2% of human salaries. One attorney at Latham Watkins now does work 6 attorneys handled before. Your job title exists. Your actual job does not. Right now, financial analysts are being replaced by Claude and ChatGPT running 24/7. One AI instance replaces 7 FTE positions at major banks. Deloitte's automation index shows 55% of professional services roles face obsolescence. Accountants, consultants, junior lawyers, marketing managers, all vulnerable. Your salary paid for your replacement this quarter. Companies already know. They're training replacements in silence. Stock prices are climbing because headcount is dropping. This is not future threat. This is current reality. Your competitors are already automated. The question is not if. The question is when yours converts. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. Every day.